Chapter 6 in science is combustion and flame. In this chapter, we will study about what is the meaning of combustion and what are the features of a flame and the content related with it. So you know that we use different types of fuels everywhere. These fuels are used in automobiles, in industry and different places. You can name those fuels and you will be knowing about them. Which type of fuels are used in industry and which type of fuels are used for automobiles. There are some fuels which are used for both, and you are familiar with the burning of a candle. What is the difference between burning of a candle and the burning of a fuel like coal? So there is a difference. When coal burns and when a candle burns, they both have a difference. So in this topic we will study about what is combustion, what is flame, and what are fuels. To understand combustion, the activity of burning of magnesium ribbon. If you burn a piece of magnesium, we found that magnesium burns to form magnesium oxide and produces heat and light. Similarly, whenever any substance is burned, it produces heat and light. We can perform a similar activity with a piece of charcoal. Hold the piece of charcoal with a tongue and burn it in the fire. What do you observe? You will find that charcoal burns in air, and in fact any substance will burn in air. Charcoal and coal also burn in air, producing carbon dioxide, heat and light. So this is a normal characteristic that a substance is burnt, it produces carbon dioxide, heat and light. So what is combustion? It is a chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to give out heat. This is the meaning, this is the definition of combustion. The substance which undergoes combustion or burning is said to be combustible. So not all substances are combustible. There are some substances which can burn and some which cannot burn. Those which can burn, they are called combustible, and the substance which can burn to give out heat and light is called a fuel. The fuel may be solid, liquid or a gas depending upon its state. Sometimes light is also given out during combustion. So in the reaction of any state of combustion, magnesium and charcoal example, both of them are giving out heat and light, so they are combustible substances. So what are combustible substances which can burn, and non-combustible substances are those which cannot burn. In this table there are names of some materials given, and you have to tick mark and write which substances are combustible and which one are non-combustible. So it is not tough. The first is wood. Wood is combustible or it is non-combustible. It can burn or not. So we know it is combustible. So you will put a tick mark that it is combustible. Paper is also combustible. Iron nails are not combustible. Kerosene oil is combustible. Stone piece is not combustible. Straw is combustible. Charcoal is combustible. Matchsticks are combustible. Glass is not combustible. So from the table we can easily make out that there are some substances which can burn and some which cannot burn. So what do you think is the reason behind this? Why some substances can burn and some cannot burn? So one of the reason why some substances can burn is because they contain some carbon content in them. They are organic and they are having carbon hydrogen compounds in them, whereas the substances which do not burn, they do not contain these compounds, so they do not burn.